Okay, what do we got going? Okay, my chrome luggage rack for my 97 Fat Boy came in today. Okay, I took off the sissy bar. It's right here. This was already on the back. See, it's still got the pad on the back. It is beautiful. You know, it is beautiful. Okay, now I just got the chrome luggage rack came in the mail. It's still in the box here. Right here. Let me unbox this baby. I always use these super scissors. Yeah, you can even cut electrical wire with these things. I've had them since 2007. Man, they're super scissors. Alright, let's see. Remember, when you're cutting anything, always cut away from yourself, not towards yourself. You can cut yourself or stab yourself. I was taught that as a child. Okay, oh man, fucking beautiful. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It always looks tiny on eBay. With tax and everything, the shipping was free is like $35. Oh man, even in the plastic, man, this thing looks nice. Okay, far out. Scissors. Boy, some of this tape they put on here is super, super strong. There we go. Alright, put the scissors back over there. Okay, come here, you. Oh yeah, man, this looks friggin' good. Yes, yes. Good, I hope it's not too wide. Shit. Now let's put the box down and we shall find out. Okay, the way this goes. Gotta watch this son of a bitch is heavy. Oh man. Here, let me tilt this down more so y'all can see this. Okay, so what this goes, it slides inside here. Okay. Oh yeah, it fits. Man, I thought it was going to be too wide. This son of a bitch is wide. It's wide. I didn't expect this. See how that, whoops. You see how that fits on there? See, and I already got the screws. You use the same screws to put it back. Okay, this is a part 1 video. After I install it on the 97 Fat Boy, I'm going to go ahead, and, I'm going to make another video of it installed. When I assemble things on my Harleys and my cars, I don't make videos of that, people. Because, you need both of your hands. Maybe with a tripod, I need to get a damn tripod is what I need to get. Okay, let's put this one back on here. It fell off. Oh man, it's a beautiful day. It's really a beautiful day. I see this video's been popping for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, I'll after I install it on the back, once I'm outside, the Harley's out, Fat Boy's out on the porch here. I'm going to show this, and I'm also going to show some other updates. I put a chrome headlight visor on it. Boy, that really enhances the looks on these things, man. That, and I put the chrome original horn, chrome call cover, and the axle covers, chrome axle covers on the rear. Okay, this will do it for part 1. Alrighty.